Hi everyone, welcome back to our English class. Our first unit, Aspire to Win, in which the race is a story by Nisha Punjabi. Our Tarun, after practicing vigorously, now he is ready for the competition. Come on, let's move fast to find out what happens in the race. Welcome to Nehru Stadium for watching a wonderful race by young athletes. Today, Anjuraj is in the commentary box. Today is 14th November, the birthday of Chacha Nehru. All the athletes are lined up at the starting point. It is 1000 meters race. The family and the friends of the participants are there in the stands to cheer them up. Athletes are not supposed to go off the track. If they do so, they will be disqualified. All are ready on their track. Oh, the whistle is blown. The race had started. All are running along their own track. Wow, Tarun on the 5th track. All the participants are at their best. Rahul on the 3rd track. Tarun is still leading. Hey, what's happening? Oh, he slipped. Other runners are rushing ahead of him. See Tarun's spirit. Seems like this is his day. Yes, come on, make it up, come on. No one to beat Pawan now. He is rushing in front. There is a great support from the audience part. Hey, Tarun slipped. Tarun got up. He is a real inspiration. Oh, but Pawan, look at him. He is nearing the finishing point. Pawan, you are the star of the day. Congrats to the hero, the champion of the 1000 meters race. Next come Rahul. Just behind Pawan, Arun is behind Rahul. Oh no, Tarun cannot be the loser today. Hey, he is getting up. He is in all vigor and enthusiasm. There goes Tarun overtaking Rahul. And now Arun too is behind Tarun. Come on Tarun, come on. Pawan too is now rushing ahead. What's happening? Tarun, not again. Oh, he again slipped. Get up Tarun, get up. But Pawan looked at him. He is nearing the finishing point. Pawan, you are the star of the day. Congrats to the hero, the champion of the 1000 meters race. But Tarun, he is the last to cross the finishing point. He is a real embodiment of determination and commitment, the man with the real sportsman spirit. Congrats, Mr. Tarun. Congratulations to all the participants who had made this race a great success. This is Anjuraj signing off. Thank you. Now let's understand the meaning of some unfamiliar words. Check the glossary. Screaming means making loud sound. Fretting means worried. Determination means having strong decision. Amazement means surprise or wonder. Gripped means keep a firm hold. Affectionately means lovingly. Pedaled means to ride a bicycle. Now it's time for reading. It was 14th November. Bowing low for his blessings of his mother, Tarun pedaled away to the stadium. There was a huge crowd waiting to go inside. Tarun entered the office where a signboard read, "Participants only," with his heart beating faster every second. Inside, there were about 50 participants waiting for the race to begin. He felt someone patting him on the shoulders. "Hello, Tarun," it was Ram Narayan. "All the best," he said affectionately. Tarun smiled at him but did not say a word. Fear had gripped him from head to foot. All the participants lined up. Every face glittered with the hope of winning the race. Each one of them had his family and friends in the stand to cheer for him. To his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stands. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. The whistle blew and all the participants started off with all their might. They were all determined to be the winners of the race. In the lead was the fastest of them all, Tarun. Seeing himself ahead of everyone, Tarun felt very proud of himself. On the track, there was a shallow path. As he was running fast, Tarun did not notice that and he slipped. Breathing fast, he saw the other kids going past him. He could not be a loser today, and so without wasting a second, he got up to run once more. Being quick, Tarun overtook a few kids ahead of him, but as fate had it, he slipped once again. What was happening to him? He could not bear it. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. She was saying something to him. "Get up, son, get up and run." Tarun got up once again. He was among the last few, but he did not give up. Once more he overtook some children. Since he was fretting a little too much, he fell a third time. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. How will he get into Ram Narayan's training now? How will he prove to his parents that he was talented? He was the last kid on the track now. He turned his eyes towards the stand. Then he heard Ram Narayan screaming from somewhere, "Come on, Tarun, run!" And so he got up a third time. This 12-year-old determined boy who was last on the track got up and ran with all his strength he had. The crowd was cheering for Pavan, the boy who had won the race. But to Tarun's surprise, there was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line last. The audience cheered for his determination and his valor for never giving up. He bowed his head with shame and said to Ram Narayan, "I'm sorry, sir, I lost." "No, son, to me you have won the toughest race, the race of your life. You got up and started afresh each time you fell. You are a real life hero. Your training starts tomorrow." Tarun could not believe his ears. Tears filled his eyes again. He smiled at his mother, who hugged him and said, "You are the best son in the world. You are the best son in the world." His mother's words were ringing in his ears, and his determination and willpower took him to fly high in his future. Hope all enjoyed the story. Read the text thoroughly, and if there is any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you. See you in the next class.